Okay, let's go over the directions for this activity and then I'll show you how you can find the videos on the article, which is linked to the top of the directions here. So first of all, you're going to open this link to access the article. Should be called Meet Time's First Ever Kid of the Year. Your job is to watch at least 3 of the videos, or however many your teacher has asked you to, and answer the questions on the slides about that individual. So we'll talk about that in just a second, but there are 5 videos in this article, 1 for the Kid of the Year and 4 for the honorees. Here's how you can find them. You're going to have to do some scrolling. So I'm going to scroll, and the first video I find is actually about our first Kid of the Year. So if you want to read about the Kid of the Year, then you're going to watch this video here. It's at the very top. But if you want to read about any of the honorees or learn about any of the honorees, you're going to need to scroll down quite a ways because they have the entire interview with the primary Kid of the Year. So you have to scroll until you find a picture of someone else. So this is Tyler. Tyler is a runner-up or an honoree Kid of the Year. This is the video for Tyler. So you're going to see that there will be a picture, the person's name, and then their video, and their articles are a little shorter. So picture, person's name, video. So you can watch the video for Jordan here. Keep scrolling. Picture, name, video. Bellin, and then picture, name, video, Ian. So the videos are in the article itself, so you're going to have to do some scrolling to find them. But if you want to, for example, if you want to learn about Ian because you think that community service, which is Ian's area of focus, sounds interesting, you'll want to scroll to the bottom of the article. So the order of the kids here on the direction slide are the same order in the article, so that'll give you an idea of where you can find them located in the article here. All right, so again, you're watching however many your teacher has told you, but you can see a little about each kid here on the first slide, so you can decide who you might be interested in. So science, art, engineering, activism, and community service. So you can decide what of those areas sound the most interesting to you and start there. And then right here, you'll see the slide in this slide deck that corresponds to each individual. So let's say you're going to start with Jordan Reeves, who does engineering. You think that sounds interesting? You're going to go to slide 4. Obviously, you're going to watch the video over here on Jordan Reeves in the article, Jordan Reeves. But then on slide 4, here are your questions for Jordan Reeves. So explain what Jordan created and why she created it. What does Jordan's nonprofit, Make Just Right, do? What is one thing you found interesting about Jordan, her work, or her life? If you could ask Jordan one question about her nonprofit, her creation, or her life, what would you ask her? There are 4 questions for every individual, so there's not a video you can pick that's going to give you less work to do. So choose things that you're truly interested in. And just have fun. Make sure you answer the questions using complete sentences. If you have any questions, of course, ask your teacher, but hopefully these directions get you on the right track to get started.